It's Sunday, Sunday, Sunday! And guess what? On the delivery trail. You know, after a storm, there's always a calm. And today's nice and calm. It's almost like 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot. Yes, it is hot. And guess what? We like it like that today. Because yesterday was almost a bummer. We did what we could do, and we really appreciate all your understandings and all of that. And we got a lot done. A lot of you can attest for that. So here we are. We're getting the rest of it done. Even though it's Sunday. No church today. Can you believe it? None. Can you believe it? But I'm looking forward to a big dinner because I'm working so hard. Yeah. So I'll keep you posted. So here we are. We're about to make one little man very, very happy because it's Sunday and it's nice and sunny. Check this out. Yes. Look at you. Good morning. How's the baby? How's the baby? So this customer is not talking to me today. Don't leave. Come, daddy. Hey, how are you? All right. So I have all this for you, and I'm excited to deliver it. I know you can't manage a big box. You don't think? Okay. You're gonna make one little man real happy. Okay. Wait until you realize what's happening here. Can't manage the problem today? Okay. Today is stay home and cook day. No church. I understand. Yes, I am good, and you know, we are really pleased to give you a Sunday, you know, come disturb your Sunday cooking, but that's fine, I'm sure it would be. Yeah, the rain yesterday. Oh, you enjoyed the rain yesterday though? Pretty good. Yeah. No, not now. I want to get all of these packages. Yeah. I need to get, when I get the deliveries done today and normalized, then the rain can start again. Because what's most important is getting it to you, you know. And look at him looking all anxious now. Handsome chap, you know. Hello. All right, so you hold on to these and let me just help you with the box. Go inside. Yeah. Big but not so heavy. Or it's because I'm getting strong. I really don't know. Yes. All right, I will. And you can check us out on Instagram. Just follow us on Instagram. Yeah. So you'll see it. You'll see that you're a star. All right. So anything you want to tell me? Anything nice?
I can say that
It's C. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Yes. Very effective. You're welcome. No, we're good. We got you. You hear that? Especially the laptop. We got her, all right? We got you.
Alright, so we're not home.
Okay, cool.
Right?
Coming here seems really quiet though. Always like this? A little drama now going in. Decent people place. Yeah. I like it. Going out and coming in. Okay. Alright, nice then. Alright, so we won't keep you much longer. Yes, we will. So there you have it on the delivery trail. It's a nice community. No dog, no bark today. And we don't mind. There you go. We're giving away a Samsung Flip 4. All you have to do is refer 10 customers to sign up. When they sign up, you ensure that they complete their profile. That's to include like their government ID and stuff like that. After that, you yourself have to ensure that you're an active customer before the promotion announced date. If you are, then you are on your way to winning a Samsung Flip 4.